So I was going down through here state by state, and nothing really. Indiana looking pretty good. Some of the northern states did good with their perennial crops. But most of these testimonial states are like, damn, the last 2 or 3 years, corn's been dying. 2 weeks before, harvest is going down. That's what good estimates. We're above average, but now they're below. Production goes, as everybody's low. Oh, so everybody's talking about these food shortages that I worked out the last 2 years. Literally, the meat. They're literally blaming hackers for humanitarianly killing the livestock off. Milk shortage because their cows are dead. They had to kill the cows that produce your milk. They're down to a fucking skeleton crew of moo people. Labor. So milk, half and half. Cream for your coffee. All of it's in shortage. I saw it coming. I've got tons of almond milk, not oat milk. I've got almond milk. They're talking about the nut milks too. Got a shit ton of almond milk. Powdered milk, creams. I saw that coming. I've been warning you. I'd be a dumbass not to listen. Now, I'm not going to dispute we have labor shortages. I mean, we got mandates for that to take care of that, but this has been going on for a while longer than the mandates, hasn't it? It's been getting worse and worse. It's not labor shortages causing this. They've been killing the damn dairy cows because they don't have grain to feed them. I asked the milk delivery guy, and he confirmed it. I just showed it to you. For the last 2 years, I've been telling you. I'm back in May 2020. Worse and worse and worse. Yeah, that's normal, right? There's always milk shortage. And there's always crunch like a motherfucker over here too. So you probably think any of this is normal, and or all of it. Or maybe you just don't understand what you're looking at. Not my fault. I've made a lot of videos explaining this. What the arrows are. This is polarity. You're shooting from the. This is not the sun side, although we're having more action over here than the sun side. This is Earth. All these maps. That's Earth. That's the day side. That's a charge buildup on the back. Big magnetic squaring, meaning multiple magnets. Huge crunch on the front and sides. Induction heating, inducing energy from the low shock. That, see if I'm pulling this in. Do you see it now? That's some heavy induction. That's been going on for a little while now. That keeps heating up these volcanoes. Why is it? because these are much stronger than these. These are closed field lines. They're like a closed fist pushing another magnet away. That's the only reason this is ever going to happen to a magnet field line. If there's another magnet right here, IMF, Interplanetary Magnetic Field Line. Pow, what do you see there? Another magnetosphere is what you see there. And another one here. This one's huge. This one's smaller. There's a smaller one up in here. And guess what? Yes, you can see them at night. You go to your northern horizon and look. You see the Big Dipper? Look to the right. No, the Big Dipper shouldn't be where it is. It's fucked. Just series object number 1. You can see that. You can see that one. You can see the big one. You can see them all. I've seen pictures. See the big blackness? And the little one? And the smaller one? Somebody went out and took a picture of their north horizon. I'm telling you, if you go look, you'll see it. I don't know what to tell you. It's there. You didn't know I had a main channel? Right there it is. It's a thumbnail on my homepage. See that moon? There's only one reason it should be going wax to wane like this every night. We turned onto our side. Funny enough, Bible canon says when the system nears Earth's axis shifts, making the sky roll. Well, we've covered all this. It's not normal. You should never see a wax and wane moon in the same night. And we're seeing it in the same night every night. If you look at it at rise and then you watch it, it's going to roll until it sets like that every night. Not day to day, different. No, every night, all night, different. It shouldn't be. Did I mention induction heating? Yep, that's Canary Islands, folks. No, Holly called that. You know why? Because she did her homework. She paid attention. She knows what induction heating means. It was Iceland because that one was going to stop, right? That one's going to stop. Wow, the tsunami's going on everywhere, ain't they? Did you see Greece? They're going to get bigger, people. Lots of lava. Well, someone else has been paying attention about the human spikes. They've given the symptoms, all that stuff. These are things we've gone over with the human frequency. Learned why we were having these symptoms. We've learned what to do about them. Feel the calm. It's funny they say tinnitus. Big ringing in the ears. Anyway, all these symptoms. Feel the calm. You can't think it, you gotta feel it. Feel it. Magnet. Add power. Add metal. See, it takes a little time. Induction, heating, takes a little time. We've been watching it do it for a little while over there on this wall. Sucker's losing its shiny. It's over. It's so hot. Same principle as Earth, people. It's a magnet with metal in it. She's drawing in energy from that bow shot. Do you know what I'm talking about when I say induction heating? It's magnet powered up. Starts heating the metal. She's inducing all that energy from the bow shot. I just said, and doing that and causing the damn volcanoes. See, guess what? It wasn't guesswork when I started predicting this shit. There you go.